An ASF file is Microsoft's Advanced Systems format, a container designed for streaming audio and video content across networks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play, convert, or troubleshoot these streaming media files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for ASF problems. See below for my top choice. ASF files are Microsoft's Advanced Systems format, containers designed for streaming media delivery. They can contain audio-video metadata and scripts encoded with Windows Media codecs. ASF serves as the base container for both WMV video and WMA audio file formats. ASF files use a GUID-based object hierarchy containing header data stream properties and packetized media data optimized for network streaming. They support multiple bitrate streams, DRM protection, and script commands for synchronized multimedia presentations. Windows Media Player from Microsoft Corporation is the core program designed for the ASF structure. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows handles everyday video playback, while technical adjustments need professional tools. Your key action: right-click the ASF file and select Open with. If Windows Media Player is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the ASF file opens successfully. If your ASF file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Dealing with a truly persistent ASF file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, playing the file. Open the ASF file in Windows Media Player, which provides native playback support. For cross-platform playback, use VLC Media Player, which handles ASF containers on Windows macOS and Linux. Update your media player if playback fails to ensure codec compatibility. Next, converting to MP4. Use FFmpeg with the command ffmpeg I input ASF C vlibs264 C8AAC output.mp4 to convert ASF files to the universally compatible MP4 format. Alternatively, use Handbrake for a graphical interface conversion with preset output profiles for various devices. Finally, resolving DRM protected files. If the ASF file is DRM protected, it requires a valid Windows Media DRM license from the original content distributor. Open the file in Windows Media Player, which will attempt to acquire the license automatically. Contact the content provider if license acquisition fails. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.